from the structure of our atom, we have said that an atom contains how many particles? 3 particles, right? What and what? We have the electrons, we have the protons, and we have the neutrons, right? Now, from this structure of our atom, and also we have said that the electron are found where? Outside the nucleus of an atom, right? That is one thing about electrons of an atom that you need to know. Electron is always outside the nucleus of an atom. Another thing about electron is that electron possess negative charge. That is, electrons carry negative charge. What about the relative mass of the electron is very small compared to the rest of the particles of an atom, right? Now, the other 2 particles of an atom, which are protons and neutrons, they are found inside the nucleus of an atom. Electrons is outside, protons and neutrons, they are inside the nucleus of an atom, right? One of the properties of the proton is that the proton possesses a positive charge. Now, from this diagram of the nucleus of an atom, what you're seeing here is I have the red and this other one has no charge, right? The red here signifies or represents the proton, which is positively charged. This other one is the neutron, that is, it has no charge, but they have the same relative mass, right? They have the same relative mass. The relative mass is 1. Is that clear? So the other thing about the proton and the neutron that you need to know is that the protons and the neutron, they are the type of nucleons because they are found inside the nucleus of an atom. So they are what? They are the type of nucleons that we have. Is that okay? Let's proceed. All protons, they have the same positive charge. That tells us that objects with the same positive charge repel each other according to electrostatic, right? Now, something we need to know about that repulsive force or electrostatic force is that it becomes stronger with distance. That is, when protons are close to each other, the electrostatic force becomes stronger. But when they are far apart from each other, it becomes weak. Is that clear? Okay? Like this. These are 2 protons. The distance between these 2 protons and these ones are not the same. So what we can say is that the electrostatic force between these 2 protons is stronger than the one between these other 2 protons. Why? Because the electrostatic force tends to be stronger when the objects are closer to each other. Is that clear? Okay, that simply means that they tend to pull each other apart in the nucleus of an atom. If it was the only electrostatic force acting, the nucleus would break apart. But it's not only the electrostatic force that is acting inside the nucleus. So the force that attracts nucleons together, that is the proton and the neutron, is a very strong nuclear force. That is why the particles inside the nucleus of an atom are closely packed together because of this strong nuclear force. In the absence of strong nuclear force, the nucleus of an atom would break apart. Is that clear?